GeMinG Linear Drive was officially established in 2011. Focus on linear-driven products research and development. Manufacturer of intelligent drives for production and sales. We continuously integrate industry resources for smart cities, healthcare, and smart homes, industrial automation, and other fields. Provide excellent driving and intelligent control solutions. The company covers an area of 6,000 square meters, has an independent R&D and production workshop to ensure the quality and innovation of products. We have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, won the 4A level unit of quality service reputation, National Renewable Energy Council unit, and many other honors. Products through the European Union CE and RoHS certification, exported to more than 10 countries and regions overseas. A total of nearly 100 patented technologies have been developed, from customer order placement to raw material processing to product production. We strictly control every link. Make sure it's accurate. Products need to be tested layer by layer before leaving the factory. Ensure quality excellence. Our series of electric push rods, lifting columns, and other products. Complete specifications. Customized production is available. We are dedicated to solving our customers' problems and needs. Welcome customers to visit the site.